Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find emergency location services and how to turn them on if we for whatever reason have it off. So, settings, then we are looking for location, and in this menu we have location services. By default our emergency location service should be turned on, but if it's turned off we simply tap this option and check this box back out, and our emergency location service will be turned on. Usually it's better to leave it on for our own safety, but if you want, or if it's turned off, we can find it in this menu. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.